Hi guys, welcome back. This one is basically got the lighter lime green. Sorry about my nails, I need to redo them. And then some rhinestones and then some enamel. And this is the back. So you can see straight the way through, there are some gaps. But it's a really, really lovely piece. And it is just literally on this awful thread. So that's from the charity shop, and I paid £2 for basically just for the pendant. So on my next video I was hoping to use this and do some clusters on a necklace up to a certain point, so maybe sort of this much of cluster each side, and then basically do a single strand to the clasp, or maybe it could be a longer necklace. So that is really, really beautiful. It's really shiny. I quite like it actually. So this one is kind of like a slider that sort of slides up and down the necklace. And then it's got beautiful, I think it's rhinestone as well in the middle. And it's sort of set inside this sort of square hole. And this is the back. I don't know if you can see that. It's a very pretty necklace. And with the slider, obviously when it's on, you can have it this way, or you can have it this way. Even the slider, actually, I'll show you the slider. There's a gap in the middle. Don't know if I can show you that, see? And then you've got the rhinestone as well, all the way round. And it's solid, it's quite heavy, and there's nothing on the top near the clasp. So I'd imagine it's a high street brand, but there's nothing labelled on there. I do like that, it's really nice. So going forward as well in my videos, so when I'm actually making on camera and I'm washing, I'm going to put, I found this in the charity shop as well, it's really, really pretty, really lovely colour. It's actually from IKEA. And that one, if I can find the price, that one was £2. And that one was from Helen and Douglas. I actually bought that one today, so that was really nice. So I'm going to put the water in there, I'm going to wash the beads, and that will be on my every video. I can't remember where, I think I got these from Heart Foundation. So these ones, it's a 3-strand necklace with these gorgeous beads. Now I thought they were wooden, but I think they're acrylic. But the patterns on them, they actually look like bird eggs. They're really quite sweet. And then you have the thicker ones, it's like a beige and then a turquoise, and then so it's like a greeny brown colour. So they're quite nice as well. So I'll probably take those apart and make into something. These sort of sizes here, I can maybe do some clusters with. I haven't got too many of those, so maybe not, but I might be able to make some necklaces and bracelets with these ones. So they're quite sweet as well. And again, there's nothing on the top, so it's not a high street brand, but then again it might be. Someone might have actually made this one, but it is nice, it's not too heavy. So that's the distance between each. So you've got the bottom, the middle, and then but it's quite a long necklace. But the lady in the charity shop did say that it's probably wooden, but I've had a good look at it and it doesn't sound wooden. I think it's acrylic. So that will be taken apart to make into something. Not sure what yet, but we will see. So I found a few other little bits and bobs as well. It's another necklace, but it's unusual. It's kind of like a mirror. It is acrylic, these bits are acrylic, and these are just like a metal, and it's a long necklace, and I don't think there's a brand on there. Again, no, but on the bottom there is like, I don't know if you can see that, it's like an H. I would try and take a picture of it and put it in the corner. And on the back it's like mirror, quite cool. So yeah, this is kind of like a kind of a limey sort of matte green, and then this one is, I don't know, it's kind of mirrored as well, but it's kind of crystally, but yeah, it's really nice. And this is a stainless steel chain. So that one was £3, and Helen and Douglas, £3. So that's that one. I don't think I'll take that one apart. I might leave it as it is, but it is quite tangled up. So let me just try and untangle. You have like these three, oh, it's really tangled. You have these kind of three little sort of like jump ring type things here, keeping 1, 2, 3, 4 bracelets together. And then you have all these sort of little bits and bobs on it. So you have the heart, which is actually quite heavy. You have some sort of leaves, and you have sort of these kind of beads. Those ones with the same pattern, and you have some gemstone beads. So there's blue, there's kind of like earthy brown and turquoisey earthy beads. They're gemstones. And these bits in between, these metal bits, and then you've got these longer bits here, which are just cheap metal. But that's might be interesting to take apart and basically make some sort of different things with. So I've got these, I could add some beads to these and put on the bottom of a necklace. I've got this one as a necklace. And the gemstones are lovely too, so they would need washing. So everything would need a wash. And I can also reuse these two here. This is a plain one, and this one has a slight sort of etching sort of pattern on it. So I can use those. There's 3 of those, which are probably like an 8mm in size. So going forward for my channel, so sort of something like this, I can show you what I've got on there, take it apart, show you how I take it apart, show you how I wash everything, and then how I make something out of it, something new, give something a new life. And so yeah, that would be quite good, and that will be every Saturday going forward for that one. And then this one will be the cluster. I have an idea for this one. This one I might keep as it is, and also I might keep this one as it is, because I actually do quite like that one. It's unusual, isn't it? Especially with the mirrors on the back. I'm getting all tangled up now. And then obviously this last one I showed you will be taken apart. So maybe I can show you something. This one I might just do some single strand necklaces with, but I will show you the washing process first, and then me just on, you know, a video just showing what beads I can put with it. Or maybe I should just keep all the same beads and just make loads of sort of different single strand necklaces. Hopefully the next one will be the one where I'm showing you how I make something. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Okay, bye.